Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly special for all you Apple fans out there. Get ready to be amazed as we dive into the world of the Apple MacBook Pro 5MPXV2LL laptop in space gray. Are you in need of a powerful and sleek laptop that takes productivity to the next level? Look no further. The MacBook Pro is here to revolutionize the way you work and create. The MacBook Pro boasts a stunning 13.3-inch LED screen that delivers crystal-clear visuals with vibrant colors. Whether you're editing breathtaking photos, designing jaw-dropping graphics, or watching your favorite movies, every detail comes to life on this brilliant display. Not only is the MacBook Pro a visual marvel, but it also packs a punch under the hood. Powered by a 3.1 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5 processor, this laptop delivers lightning-fast performance that can handle anything you throw at it. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking. Worried about running out of space? Fear not. With its generous 256GB storage, you'll have plenty of room for all your files, documents, and multimedia. Plus, the MacBook Pro comes equipped with 8GB of RAM, ensuring smooth and efficient operation even with multiple applications running simultaneously. But what about the design? Apple has always been known for its sleek and elegant aesthetics, and the MacBook Pro is no exception. With its space gray finish, this laptop exudes sophistication and style. It's the perfect companion for professionals on the go or anyone who appreciates premium craftsmanship. The MacBook Pro is not just a pretty face, it's also packed with advanced features. The macOS provides a seamless user experience, allowing you to navigate effortlessly and unleash your creativity. From the innovative Touch Bar to the Touch ID fingerprint sensor, every interaction with the MacBook Pro is intuitive and secure. Now, you might be wondering, is this the right choice for me? Well, worry not. If you're ready to take your productivity to new heights, the Apple MacBook Pro 5MPXV2LL laptop in space gray is the perfect choice. Get yours today and unlock a world of endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy computing!